I think he's
What does Ame smell like?
What is always with the smell?
Actually, the other day after the karaoke that Gura and I did,
I heard.
Can I smell your hair?
No, you said we smell each other. So we
Would it be weird if we smelled it?
Yeah, that's actually. I think that is how I asked. I was like,
Should we smell each other? Can we smell each other?
Gura smells like really nice. Like if you guys have ever smelled like a really nice fancy hairspray.
Oh dang!
It must be for those ponytails. You gotta keep them in place, keep them spiky. Yeah,
Wow.
it smells kind of like
My
a strawberry.
dream
Well,
yeah.
Ama, you gotta smell me when I'm not sweaty, please.
Oh, I'm right behind you. I could just.
Something like the Titanic. Oh
I think Bubba likes the way you smell.
Ew. Like the Kiara says.